see, it is windy as heck. In fact, I've already lost some branches on a tree. No good. And it's so windy, a Christmas tree showed up. That's even more terrifying. Sorry about the shaky cam. I've never really done this before. It's just crazy windy. Oh, there's just the garbage cans falling over. Maybe I shouldn't be outside. They're all falling over. They're like fallen soldiers. The wind has killed all the trash cans. Oh, there's one still staying up, holding his buddy up. You can do it, Recycle Bin. You can do it. Last of the recycling. No, stay in there. Get back. Someone's Cowboys flag flying strong in this wind. Scared this tree could fall down on my house. Fall down on Phelan's house first. He lives on top of us.